Hello everybody, my name is Tony Boyajian, Program Manager here at Telvin. Today I want to take a few minutes and show you Responder Mobile. Responder Mobile is a brand new product and it was released for the first time with our 931 Service Pack 1 release. So a lot of you are seeing this for the very first time today. Now the point of this application, and really the goal behind it, is we wanted to provide a very easy to use application that your outage restoration crews could use in the field to stay in constant communication with the enterprise GIS system. So instead of having to call into dispatch over and over to get the latest information about the outage and to report status, they can do all of that through this application. Let me show you just how easy this is to use. I'm at the login screen here, and I can log in using my truck number. My truck number is 2534. Go ahead and log in. Now you'll see a few things happen here right away. First of all, we see that I am connected right now. I happen to be in an area of the city that has good wireless coverage, so I'm able to get a real-time picture of all of the incidents that my crew's been assigned. If I'm not connected, that's okay. It's constantly updating in the background, and I'll see a snapshot of incidents that I was assigned the last time I had connectivity. That may have been earlier this morning when my truck was parked in the office, or maybe it was just a few blocks away when I was in a part of town that had better cellular coverage. If I'm not connected, I can continue using the application the same way. So that's one important thing to note right off the bat, is that Responder Mobile enables you to work either connected or disconnected. Now I can see all the incidents that I've been assigned, and I can click through these and get some basic information about them. I can see that this incident here has 78 customers that are affected by the outage, so I'm going to want to get to work on this one here right away. I'm going to go ahead and open this incident, and I'm going to get some basic information about it. Over here on the right, I have a map with some basic navigation controls. I can zoom and pan. I can zoom in a little bit closer. I can zoom back out if I want to. But the goal here is we wanted to provide some basic map tools, but nothing too GIS intensive. The symbology we're using comes straight from your Responder database, so your field crews should already be familiar with that. And anybody who hasn't seen GIS software before can probably understand how to navigate this map. We wanted to make it as easy to use as possible. Now over here on the left I have two tabs. You can see I'm on the Devices tab right now, and I also have the General tab. The General tab allows me to enter some very basic information about the outage, and the Devices tab will show me what Responder predicts the affected device is. So by connecting back up to the Responder database, I'm able to really narrow my troubleshooting, and Responder tells me that the most likely cause of this outage is going to be this transformer here. This transformer is supposed to be closed on B phase, but Responder predicts that it's actually open. So I may want to go over there first and do my research. Hopefully getting the power turned back on faster, because I know where to more than likely go to fix the problem. I'm going to go ahead and go back over to the General tab, and I can update information in real time. So maybe my crew started working and we've determined that this is just a general equipment failure. I can go ahead and mark that. The trouble is that there's no power in the area. And today's the 16th. I can get the power turned back on today. Let's see, it's about 9:30 in the morning. This one won't take me all that long. I can get the power turned back on by about 10 o'clock or so. So I'm going to go ahead and just put in 10. I'll give myself a few extra minutes here, and we'll say 10:10. So that gives me a little while to get the power turned back on. I can scroll down and I can see any remarks that the dispatch center has sent me. I can send some additional notes to them. Maybe I'm just going to write, quick repair will be online shortly. And I could press save and send the information up to the dispatch center right away if I wanted. So me and my crew, we go over and we look at the transformer, and it turns out that Responder was right. It's the transformer that's out. So I can actually do the restoration right here from the software as well to update the Responder database back in the office. So I can see you've got the transformer. It's already in here because it was the predicted device. And I can go ahead and restore it. So it was supposed to be closed on the B phase, and Responder predicted it was open. And after I fix that, I'm going to go ahead and just click there. It puts in the current date and time, press OK, and just like that, everything is updated. If there's any hazards in the area that I want to track, maybe we have some down power lines, I can do that through the interface as well. I can also store additional location features. Maybe a customer comes out of their house and they just want to be called as soon as the power is back on. I could associate their service point with this incident and that way the dispatch center would know to give them a call. But it's just about that easy. I mean, I haven't had to do a whole lot in the software, and I've been able to keep the dispatch center up to speed on what we're working on the whole time. And also, if new information does come in about the outage, I'm going to be notified about that right away. At this point, I can go ahead and save this incident and close this and go work on the next one. So this was just a quick look at the Responder mobile application. If you would like to have additional information on this product, don't hesitate to let us know, and we would love to tell you more. Thank you for your time.